Instant, purified, versatile. All right at your fingertips. From blanching your vegetables to a refreshing glass of water. Tap into your kitchen's hidden strength with Intrix OneTap, the heartbeat of any modern kitchen. Get instant, purified ambient water and hot water up to 98 degrees. For drinking, cooking, washing, and sterilizing. Powered by EcoSmart technology, Intrix OneTap is the only water purifier that can achieve perfect boiling temperature without repeated boiling and overheating. You can also set when and how long you want the OneTap to be on eco mode to save more electricity. Plus, it's equipped with 3-stage world-class all-in-one filters to effectively remove 99.99% bacteria, heavy metals, and other microbes. The titanium inner core ensures you always get high-quality purified water with the lowest maintenance. All you need is a yearly filter change. Nothing more. Best of all, it saves precious kitchen counter space while all that power is contained neatly under the sink. And yes, it does come in black.